Section number 2, Basic Concept of Earth-Sun Geometry. Lecture number 11, Calculation of Local Solar Time. Learning objectives of lecture number 11. Learner should able to calculate local solar time by considering time correction factor and equation of time. Calculation of local solar time. If we want to calculate a local solar time, we have to consider some standard procedures to calculate it. Let's say, for example, calculate local solar time for Sydney, Australia on 1st of February 2020. So, if you want to calculate the LST for Sydney, Australia on the 1st of February 2020, we need some amount of data like Sydney, Australia is in the UTC zone plus 10. The longitude of Sydney is 151.2093 degree east. The local time is 13:30 p.m. So basically some amount of data we will require like UTC zone, the longitude and the local time in terms of AM or PM. Step number 1, to calculate local standard time meridian. In the step number 1, we require to calculate the local standard time meridian by using the standard formula 15 degree multiplied by delta UTC. As we know, the UTC value or the difference between the local time and the prime meridian value is with respect to that. This value is UTC plus 10. It has already been available on the internet on the map also. So we can put this value here. So we get LSTM is 15 multiplied by 10 is equals to 150 degree east. As this value is positive, therefore this 150 degree east has been given. Step number 2, to calculate equation of time. In step number 2, we need to calculate the equation of time by using a standard formula that B is equals to 360 upon 365 multiplied by D minus of 81. So here from we calculate the value of B, as it is the 1st of February, which is the 32nd day of the year. So we put here and we get a value of minus 48.33. This is a B value in terms of degree we calculated to calculate the equation of time value. We put this value in this equation of time equation, which is 9.87 multiplied by sine of 2b minus of 7.53 multiplied by cos of b minus of 1.5 multiplied by sine of b. So we put value here and we ultimately get the EOT as minus of 13.69 minutes. So in the step number 1, we calculated the local standard time meridian. In step number 2, we calculated the equation of time value. In step number 3, we need to calculate the ultimate time correction factor, which considers the LSTM also and the equation of time also. This formula is standard. TC is equals to 4 multiplied by longitude minus LSTM plus EOT. So TC is equals to 4 multiplied by longitude is 151.21 minus of 150 plus minus in bracket minus of 13.69. So ultimately by calculating we get time correction factor as minus of 8.85 in terms of minutes. So in step number 4, we calculate the local standard time or the local solar time. We say local solar time formula is local time in that position or in that site plus standard time correction factor TC divided by 60. So we put value here LST is equals to 1330 hours plus or 13 hours 30 minutes plus minus of 8.85 minutes divided by 60. So after doing this calculation we get 13.29 minutes, where 13.29 minutes is the local solar time by this formula after considering the eccentricity factor also and longitude variation factor also.